After all the evidence in a case has been presented, the court reaches an important stage called final arguments. But what exactly are final arguments in court? Final arguments are the stage where both sides in a case make their final submissions before the judge. This usually happens after witnesses have been examined, documents have been presented, and the evidence stage of the trial is complete. At this point, the prosecution explains why, according to the evidence and the law, the accused should be held guilty. The prosecution refers to witness statements, documents, expert reports, and other material already presented before the court. Its purpose is to show that the case has been proved according to law. After that, the defense presents its final arguments. The defense lawyer explains why the prosecution has failed to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. The defense may point out contradictions in witness testimony. It may highlight missing evidence. It may question the reliability of documents or the way the investigation was conducted. The defense may also argue that the law does not apply in the way the prosecution claims. This stage is important because lawyers usually do not introduce new evidence during final arguments. Instead, they interpret the evidence that is already on record. They connect the facts of the case with the legal provisions that apply. In simple terms, final arguments help the judge understand how each side interprets the evidence and the law. The judge listens carefully to both sides. Sometimes, written arguments may also be submitted depending on the case. After hearing the final arguments, the judge studies the full record, considers the legal issues involved, and then prepares to deliver the judgment. So, final arguments are not simply speeches. They are a crucial stage that helps the court evaluate the case before reaching a final decision. Understanding this stage helps citizens see how courts carefully analyze both facts and law before giving judgment. Law follows procedure, and procedure protects justice as well as individual rights. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.